Hey guys, welcome back to JS Tech, and in this video series we are learning about the file management system in C++. So in our previous video we have studied that what are the basic operations we can perform on the files in C++ and how we are going to handle it, what kind of the libraries we are going to use, and what kind of the different objects we are going to use in the C++ language. So now in this video in the previous video we have discussed these steps, that is basic file handling operation, and the first one was the writing to a file. So we have gone through this, that first of all you have to include the fstream object, then you have to, if you want to write to the file, then you have to create the offstream object, and then in the next opening the file was the optional, and then write data to the file, and then lastly close the file. So for this we have an example. So in this example, let me zoom it. First of all, we have the first we have to use the fstream. So first we have to create the fstream object, then in the next thing we have to open the file. So opening the file is an optional in the offstream, or writing to the file, so it is an optional. So then we have to check if and file is open. So the first thing is that if the file is open, if file is not open, then we cannot perform the operations on that, and it's going to throw the error or not going to give the expected result. So first thing first, we have to check if the file is open. So for that purpose we have used the fstream. From where it is coming? It is coming from the library which we have included above, that is the offstream library. So here it is coming from this library fstream. So first of all we have to use the fstream, then we have to use the object name. So we have to give the object name, that is the, we have written it as in file, and then we have to give it the file, which file we want to open, and then we are going to write on that file. So the file is the example.txt. You can write any of the file you want to open. If it is on the same location where your program is located, your cpp file is located, then you don't have to give it a path. If this file is not located where your cpp file is, then you have to provide the complete path. So in the next path, if in file is open, so we have to check if file successfully has been opened, then we can then we should perform the operation on that, right? So if file is open, then we can get the data from the file line by line. Okay, so how many lines we have, then we can get the data from the file line by line. We have created a string called the line. So uh, this string we can use to get the data from the file. So while get line is an operation as a function, built-in function of the fstream, so by which we can get the line from the file. So it expects the two argument. The first argument is the end file, and the second is the line. So then we are going to output the line every time, each time we get it from the file. Okay, so next the last thing is the end file.close. If the reading it goes to the end of the file, then close the file. Else what we are going to do, cout, we are going to print a message on the screen, that is error opening the file. So this is the writing to a file. So this is how we write a data to the file. So I will see hopefully in the next video, inshallah, and till then, take care and bye bye.